Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. First card is the Page of Cups and the World. Oh. And the Devil card. Six of Wands and the Chariot card. We also have here this Page of Pentacles. Wow, ang daming mensahero dito. May mga gustong mag-offer na naman ng commitment. We have the Two of Wands and the Three of Cups. Wow. And this King of Pentacles sa bottom card natin. So, may mga strong energies tayo dito ng Capricorn, Cancer energy. Okay, so itong taong to, maring from a distance, long distance situation kayo. Itong taong to, nasa malayong lugar siya. Nakatingin lang to sa'yo. Pwede two-person. Nakatingin siya sa'yo from afar. Maring keeping tabs on you or looking at you. Itong taong to, kilala mo na to eh. May hindi magandang nangyari sa inyo na naging dahilan kung bakit umiwas siya or umiwas ka sa kanya, na kung bakit nawalan kayo ng communication nitong taong to. Maring mas inuna ang career, mas inuna trabaho, pera, finances. Ayan. So, tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards. Pero ngayon, gusto kanyang kumustahin eh. Gusto mga musta nitong taong to. So, medyo matagal-tagal na rin kayong hindi nag-uusap nitong taong ito na gusto mag-offer sa'yo ng something. Ayan. May mga gusto siyang ibigay, i-offer, gifts, or pwedeng commitment. Ayan. Mga gusto niyang ibigay dito. Gusto niya magkaroon kayo ng reconciliation sa kung ano man nangyaring hindi maganda. Gusto niya na makipagbati. Ayan. So, we have here the ground. So, dati ang taas-taas niya eh. Pero ngayon, ibababa niya na yung pride and ego niya. Ibababa niya na yung sarili niya para lang mapatawad mo siya. Deep well, crystal ball, and target. We have here the coins. Mari nag-juggling siya between you and another person din dati. We have here waterfalls. Pero yung deep feelings niya andito pa rin eh. And these emotions na nag-overflow dito. Tarot cards. Bottom card. Ayan. So, ngayon yung attention niya nakafocus din sa'yo eh. With this target. Mari may nagsabi sa kanya na isang hula before na tumutugma sa'yo. Kaya gusto rin niya, nagulat siya about that. Kaya ngayon bigla kang pumasok sa isip nitong taong to. And then ngayon, this person, ayan, bigla siyang makikipag-communicate sa'yo. So, tingnan natin ang message ng Archangels. So, dalawang cards. Okay, dalawa. First is, wow, Victory by Archangel Sandalphon. Your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. So, ayan, no? Ito yung isa sa mga hinihiling mo siguro. Pwedeng subconscious na hinihiling mo or gusto ng puso mo. Ganyan. And we also have here, Chakra Clearing by Archangel Metatron. Call upon me to clear and open your chakras using sacred geometric shapes. Ayan. So, maaaring may nagkaroon ng mga spiritual awakening dito or realization after ng mga nangyari before. So, tingnan natin sa Tarot Messages Oracle Cards. You're the fairest of them all. Kasi maaaring na-realize niya na ikaw yung fairest of them all eh. Wala na siyang makitang masigit pa sa'yo after nun. I miss you. Okay, so nami-miss ka nga nitong taong to. Yan ang malinaw dyan. You're so sexy. I'll start to save money. I'm being defensive. Feeling left out in the cold. I regret rejecting you and I'm honest to you. I'm stubborn but practical. Okay, so may mga decision siya na nagpaka-practical na lang siya noon. Hindi niya ginamit yung puso niya, emotion niya, utak ang ginamit niya. Ayan, pero mukhang pinagsisihan niya rin yung mga desisyon na yon in the past. Mukhang may mga sinabi siya noon na lulunukin din niya, kasabay ng paglunok niya sa pride niya. Okay, tingnan natin mga more messages dito. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I'm so attracted to you. I couldn't let you get close to me. So, parang tinulak ka niya. It's time for me to heal now. I regret lying to you. I replay our conversations over and over and I look for you everywhere. And it was my fault, but I blamed you. I wonder if you're happy without me. Okay. Ayan. So, kuha pa tayo ng initials natin. Letter S, D, F. Letter M, A, E, I, V. Letter C, T, P ang bottom card. Okay, so let's see sa blue card. Kuha tayo ng tatlo here. We have here guilty. Ayan, guilty siya. And addictions. And engagement. Oh, higher level of commitment pala itong i-offer. Gustong i-offer. Ayan. Itong taong to. And let's see sa ating general signs and the messages. Beautiful. Parang beautiful in their eyes. We have here Gemini. May other country pa na very long distance. Lake. Party animal. Chaser. Ayan, may mga maghahabol na naman this time. Attractive. Soon. Ayan, very, very soon. And number 5. Ayan, mga keywords na lang yan. Hindi na natin kailangan i-explain more. So, we have here December. And long distance. Ayan, confirmation na may mga long distance situation. And Divine Feminine. Mindanao. Karmic relationship. Ayan, may mga natrap sa karmic relationship then before. We have here soulmates, animal lover, gorgeous, and very serious. February and October. Future lover, selfie-holic, shy at first, and Libra, North PH, and Sagittarius. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.